Are you ready for a crochet quiz? Let's see how well you actually know how to crochet. Mark down all the answers you got right, and at the end of the video, you will see if you are an advanced crocheter, a crocheter, or a beginner crocheter. So let's get started. Also, let me know in the comments below how many answers you got right and which ones you got wrong. This is called the double crochet stitch. This time we are going to guess the technique I'm using. It is working in the round. Without looking it up, what is the most commonly used fiber when crocheting? Acrylic yarn. How many of those questions did you get right? Those were pretty easy, right? So now let's take it up a notch and move to some more advanced questions. What crochet stitch do I need to make to match this crochet abbreviation? That's right, a single crochet. What do I need to do next according to this crochet abbreviation? That's right, I need to yarn over. All right, now to the next round of crochet questions. These questions will be advanced crochet questions, so get ready. Here's our first question. What material is used to make velvet yarns? Polyester. If I have 7 chains and I am making a row of single crochets, how many single crochets will I have at the end of this row? And if you said 6, you're right, because with a single crochet row, you skip over the first stitch, go into the second to make your first stitch, and then if you do a single crochet all the way down, you will have 6 single crochets. What kind of crochet hook is this? An ergonomic crochet hook. What crochet stitch am I now doing? If you said the bobble stitch, you are 100% correct. What kind of crochet is it called when you are making a crochet stuffed animal? It is called crochet origami. I hope you enjoyed that crochet quiz. Let me know down in the comment section how many of those answers you got right and whether you are a advanced crocheter, or a beginner crocheter. Go check out some of the other videos on my YouTube channel, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.